Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, grade 4 pupils. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are looking at area, and we know that area refers to the amount of space enclosed within boundaries. Area is the amount of space enclosed within boundaries, and when we are working out area, we say area is given in square units. Area is given in square units. For example, we have a piece of land here, or a figure here. We have it is divided into squares. It is divided into squares. So the number of squares in this figure is equivalent to its area. How many squares are in this figure? How many squares are in this figure? So we work out by counting first. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That means that there are 16 squares, small squares in this figure. So the area of this figure will be 16 square units. 16 square units. Why do we get 16? From counting. Similarly, we can work out the number of squares in this figure by looking at the number of squares in the rows and the column, the number of squares in the column. That is the rows and the columns. How many rows do we have here? How many rows do we have in this figure here? Rows are this one, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 rows. And how many columns do we have? How many columns do we have? Columns are on this side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 rows and 4 columns. So this figure has 4 rows and 4 columns. So to get the area of this figure, we multiply the number of rows times the number of columns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns. So to get the area, we multiply number of rows times the number of columns. The number of rows times the number of columns. So we have 4 times 4. What is 4 times 4? 4 times 4 is equals to 60. 16. That is why we are saying the area of this figure is 16 square units. Let's look at another figure. Let's look at another figure. Working out area in square units. We have another figure here. We have another figure here. We have another figure. So we are working out the area of this figure in square units. So how many small squares are in this figure? We can get the number of small squares through counting. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So there are 21 squares in that figure. There are 21 squares in that figure. How else can we get the number of squares in this figure? By multiplying the number of rows and the number of columns. So how many rows are there in this figure? Rows are these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. And how many columns? How many columns? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows and 7 columns. 3 rows and 7 columns. So the total number of squares, we can say it is 3 times 7, which is 21. So when calculating areas of figures, just count the number of rows, the number of squares on this side, times the number of squares on this side. So that is how we calculate area using the square units. Thank you.